Hi, this is the HOTWAV Pad 8 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the display section. Click to wallpaper and style and tap to change wallpaper. Here you'll see photos from your device gallery or just the default wallpapers. Just select one from the wallpapers and click here to lock screen to see the preview. Tap to OK, select lock screen. Wait a second, wallpaper set successfully now. Now let's just lock the device. Let's check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap to wallpaper and style, click to change wallpaper, and by the same way you could select one from the available wallpapers. Just select lock screen, just not home screen, select the lock one. Let's one more time change wallpaper on device, and let's use this one. OK, and lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.